It's 3 in the morning and I couldn't sleep. Hindi talaga ako makatulog dahil sa lakas ng hangin at ulan. The strong wind and rain naglaragasa sa bubong at saka sa bintana. I couldn't really get to sleep. It's just us and the kids because my husband is working. He works for the city.
Naku, natanggal na yung ano dito.
The plastic cover was moved by the strong wind. Oh my god, it's so scary now. The wind is getting stronger. And the rain too.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Lumalakas na siya. It's getting stronger. I need to check this. We have to. Scary.
Around 12:30, my husband called. I couldn't sleep. I'm so scared because of the strong wind and rain. And I told him to come home, but he can't do it because he's still working and he needs to be there. The city needs him
God.
too. We need him too, but I have to understand that they need him in his job. I told him to take care of himself and come home safe. Umuulan tapos kumikidlat, tapos ang lakas pa ng hangin. Nakakatakot, it's so scary. The lightning, the wind, and the rain, it's getting stronger. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys, and click the like and subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I get to upload new videos. Let's see what's happening here in the garage. Oh my god. Oh. This is water. It's high. The washing machine is right there. Oh my god. Oh, it's flooding in our garage. Water all over. Outside too. It's flooding in our driveway. And on the street. The water is high. Oh my god. It's flooding. It's flooding. Bumaha. Oh my god. City. Oh my god. Ang mga sasakyan ako na nakaano. nakuha ang sandbag. The sandbag was useless. The water still goes inside the garage. Look at this. The neighbors. Still strong wind. Buti na lang hindi pumasok sa loob ng bahay. Hanggang dyan lang siya. Hanggang dyan lang. Didn't goes up to this.